flowers for you.
Kay Gabi.
Yeah, di, welcome to TMFI.
Nadulas ka naman doon. Well, how's your first week?
Ay, nako. Grabe.
Nakapag-mall ka na ba?
Pero Glorieta lang. I went to Glorieta. And ibang buhay. It's,
yes.
Minsan,
overwhelmed pa?
Overwhelmed talaga. Because everyone knows my life. Everyone knows my stories.
I wonder why.
Pero may nag-approach sa'yo na binoto ka namin. We voted for you.
Ang cute-cute mo.
Ay, nahanap si Riza!
Sweet
naman. Yes. But, syempre, among the big four, talagang pinaka-controversial isa sa kanila ay si Riza.
Riza, alam natin lahat ang naging issue between you and Mariel. Nagkausap na ba kayo ni Mariel after leaving the Pinoy Big Brother house?
Yeah, maraming beses actually. We hosted Wawawi together and I'm on good terms with Ate Mariel.
Kasi madami talaga nagtatanong, totoo ba yung kay Riza at Mariel?
Iniisip nila talaga may alitan,
Gaya nga na sinabi ni Mariel, between them, wala talagang rip. And to prove that to everyone,
let's call her in.
Mariel!
Moving on.
Hi guys. The reunion again.
Hello.
Eto na, Mariel and Riza, would you like to say anything to each other?
Kasi ako naman yung nagkamali. You know that I didn't mean it. Diba? Alam mo yon. In your heart, I know that you know na we're okay. And so, I'm sorry. Again, I just want to apologize. Alam ko this is not part of it kasi actually we're okay. Pero alam ko that some of your fans, some of them are parang hurt that I hurt you or I said those things. So, para malaman nila na hindi naman talaga tayo nag-aaway. Thank you very much na mabait ka. Sobrang bait niya talaga, promise. Thank you, Riza. Salamat.
Yes, Riza, would you like to comment on that?
As I've said before, kinausap ko si Ate Mariel noon pa and I said, there's really no issue here. Ate Mariel and I are in good terms. I consider her one of my friends. So for me, there's no issue.
Actually, you know what? I even told her when we were inside the house and outside, sabi ko, kasi bago siya sa Pilipinas, bago siya sa showbiz, wala naman siya masyado mga kaibigan. Sabi ko, kunin mo yung number ko. Pag may kailangan ka, shopping tips, kung ano man, just text me. Sabi ko sa kanyang gano'n. Oo. Promise.
Alam mo kanina, kaya na sinasabi ko kay Bianca, since yung musical score natin, PBB, tas nag-uusap sila, parang gusto ko mag-voice over. At sa mga oras na ito. Very PBB. And would you like to say anything to your fans?
Yeah.
We'd like to start with Riza.
I just want to say thank you again. Once again, God bless you all. The support has been overwhelming and I'm just amazed. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Oh my gosh. God bless you.
Of course, Will?
I would like to say thank you for everything. Talaga. Seryoso. Maraming salamat para sa lahat.
Gabby? Yeah, thank you once again.